Today we are here as part of a collaborative workshop between GIZ and UVU Bio, which is part of GIZ SAVax intervention around developing skills specifically in the vaccine industry. The workshop includes participants from the emerging vaccine industry in South Africa that include BioVac, Afrigen and Aspen. We also have participants from adjacent industries including general biotech, the South African government, as well as academia. And the workshop focuses on identifying areas of interventions that we identify collectively with inputs from industry as well as government and academia, so that we can develop specific interventions in response to our part of the SAVax GIZ project. The components will be delivered across our two campuses, one at Brickfield Canvas and one at Brickworks, where our new skills development center is being implemented. And we will use our multitude of scientific and technical equipment to deliver these courses to underprivileged candidates that we aim to place within the emerging vaccine industry and broader biotech sector.
So after COVID, it was very clear that there was a need for local vaccine manufacturing on the African continent, and South Africa is a front runner in this industry. So the German cooperation is supporting local manufacturing of vaccines, and skill development is of course a focus area. We work hand in hand with the Department of Science and Innovation to be responsive to the industry's needs and strengthen skills, particularly for young people in cooperation with UVU Africa.
Ultimately, what we determined is that there are several opportunities on the go, several initiatives on the go around determining what the gaps are as far as skill development in vaccines is concerned. And then, of course, as various partners in the national system of innovation contribute to making sure that these gaps are closed.
I think a key concept that arose for me was the value of collaboration. Collaboration between industry and academic institutions, and collaboration between industry partners or industry-specific organizations like Aspen and others, and the space in between in order just to facilitate placement and training between academia and industry. So really great workshop with lots of great insights. Thank you.